Guys, it is the game. I made the game. And we're about to be going over easy beginner tricks. And the first one up is a wheelie. So what you want to do for a wheelie is put your foot like right there on the deck, like right on the left part of the wheel. Or if I'm a goofy rider, comment down below what rider are you. And I'm teaching you how to wheelie. You want to balance yourself out. This is what I usually do. I would turn like this in circles and circles and circles, and you would get used to the balance of it. So when you go into a wheelie, you just need to kick yourself like that. Like act like you're pedaling, but you're not pedaling. So I'll show you mine right now. That's how I do it, guys. And next, I will show you how to slice. And how you slice is you want to move your like that. So when you're on the thing, the trick scooter, you want to push yourself out like that. Then you want to keep this foot on the ground, and you want to keep the top wheel, the top wheel. You want to keep it on the ground so you can slice like that. And I'll show you how to do it right here. There you go. And that's how you slice. Now I'll show you how to do 180. A 180 is when you spin it off the ground like this, around like that. Then you go like this, turn around like that, and you have to come over this way. And it's pretty hard because I can hardly even do it. You have to use your momentum. I don't have that much. I'll try it. So I'll try right now. Oh, first try. I didn't even know how to do that. Okay, now I'll teach you guys how to bar spin. So when you bar spin, you want to jump up. Twist your hand when you do it, like that. But now keep the scooter straight and just spin it. And this is what I usually do to get used to it. I just go like this. And that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna try it right now. It's harder than you think, guys. Oh, that's too bad. Nah, forget it. I don't want to waste you guys' time. And now I'll teach you guys how to maneuver yourself when you do a jump to go like that. And in my opinion, it's hard, but it's really easy for me. So I'm gonna try it. I'll show you guys now. Technically like that, you want to kind of wheelie like this and launch yourself out like that. And if you want to learn how to tail whip, my cousin, he can do it, but he can't land it, but he can kick it like this. It kind of land on it, so I'm gonna try it now. As you guys can see, I can't do it. So yeah, this cousin will try to show you guys.
Alright. Full my mouth. So, what you want to do, you want to like bunny hop like this. This first step. While you're in mid-air, kick it and land. Like that. But you gotta jump higher. I haven't mastered it either, not yet, but subscribe to my account, Shondo. You know, be a subscriber, be a Shondo. My name's Sean. Come on now. If he doesn't put this on it, you're a hater. Plug. Yep. And I'm gonna be making merch. You know,
Hmm?
I'm gonna be making merch.
What?
Yeah. Yep. So if you subscribe to it, you can design my merch. I'll let anybody.
The merch will be down in the description below.
The
And
next 2 videos, I should have it then.
and
So he posts every Saturday, like me.
and so I could do it on a daily basis. Comment down below if you didn't want me to, or if you do. So you can see my vlogs over and over again. And it's the gang. And
Peace.
squash the like button, man.